Hey there. A lot of us think that finding inner peace has to be, well, complicated. But what if I told you there's a path to calm that's surprisingly simple? We're talking almost zero effort. So let's dive in.
Does your life ever feel like it's just nonstop? Like you're constantly juggling a million things and your brain is going a mile a minute? If you've ever just wished you could hit a pause button, even for a second, then yeah, you're in exactly the right place.
And this is the real promise of what we're exploring today. It's not about complex poses or trying to force your mind to go completely blank. Nope, the entire philosophy is built on two incredible ideas: no effort and no rules.
Okay, so where do we even begin? Well, the first part is just about setting the scene. And don't worry, the setup is about as minimal as it gets.
Yep, that's literally it. 3 easy steps. First, find a spot where you won't be disturbed for just a few minutes. It could be a chair, your bed, a quiet corner, wherever. Then, just get comfortable. And finally, if it feels right, gently close your eyes. The key word here is comfort.
All right, now we get to the real heart of the practice. The one thing that's going to be our anchor, our guide into that feeling of calm. And it's something we do all day, every day, just breathing.
So to start, just take a nice, slow, deep breath in. Really try to feel the air filling your lungs.
And then, just as slowly, let it go. The key here is ease. You're not forcing the breath out, you're simply releasing it.
You're just going to want to repeat that cycle a few times, and the goal is to feel your body start to soften up a little. With every breath out, just imagine you're letting go of any tension you might be holding on to.
Inhale and exhale. In its essence, that's the entire practice. There's nothing else you have to do but follow that simple, life-giving rhythm.
Of course, the second we get quiet, what usually happens? Our brain decides to get loud, right? Your to-do list, a random worry, a song stuck in your head. So what do you do then? Does it mean you're failing?
No, absolutely not. And honestly, this might be the most important part of this whole thing. Having thoughts pop up isn't a bug in the system. It's just what our brains do. It is completely natural.
And the way we handle them is kind of the opposite of what you might think. You don't fight them or get frustrated, you just notice them. Oh, there's a thought. And then you gently guide your attention right back to your breath. That's it.
You see, this reframes the entire goal. We're not aiming for a totally blank mind, because let's be real, that's nearly impossible. We're aiming for a state that is calm, relaxed, and effortless.
So how does a practice like this actually fit into a busy life? Well, it's designed to be more than just something you do in a quiet room. Think of it as a portable tool you can use anywhere, anytime.
And look at the time commitment. We're not talking about hours here, just 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. That's less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee. This makes it so practical even for the busiest schedules. Oh, and here's another common question. What if you get so relaxed that you drift off to sleep? The answer is, that's perfect. It's not a failure, it's a success. It just means your body is getting the deep relaxation it needs. Remember, no rules.
So when's the best time to do this? Simple. Whenever it serves you. Maybe at night to quiet down the mental chatter before sleep. Maybe in the morning to start your day with a bit of clarity. Or maybe right in the middle of a stressful afternoon, just for a moment to find your center again. And ultimately, that's what this is really all about. It's a tool to bring you back from worrying about the past or getting anxious about the future and into the simple calm of right now, just enjoying the feeling of being present.
So this whole practice is simple, it's accessible, and it's available to you right now. The only question left is the one you see here. When will you take your moment today?